good day, and welcome to today what is it, hot to about 81 Fahrenheit, about 77 Celsius. Yeah, I'm back in my hotel room, and as you would have seen beforehand, I went down to the upper house and saw the upper house and the upper ridge. I did have a little walk through the gardens nearby. Yeah, and I did avoid the massive crowd. It may have been on the 26th, January 26th. I kind of avoided that. But I think I'm probably glad that I did avoid that big massive crowd. Hopefully I'll see you soon.